Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, virtual dance studio. Today, we're looking at our demi positions or half positions. So far, we have demi positions for tendu and for plie. First, we'll look at our tendu, our point. Instead of going into a full tendu, keep the toes flexed and connected to the ground. This is your demi tendu, but you'll more often hear it called demi point. Next, we have our demi plie or half bend. This is the plie that we learned in the previous video, so if you haven't seen that, then be sure to check it out. This is also the plie that we used to check our turnout, which we went over in another video. When you do demi-plie and turnout, your knees should go directly over the toes. If your knees are behind your toes, then you're not using your full turnout. And if they're in front of your toes, then you're forcing your turnout too far. And that's all for our demi positions. Easy, right? In the next video, we'll go over our grand plie, and we'll get into some stretches to widen your turnout. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for more.